Oh yeah, Jimmy. Oh yeah, Jimmy, you see this shit? Jimmy, you see this? Who's right now? Jimmy? Jimmy, you said, there's never gonna be an earning delay. Ooh. And then George would be like, hey guys, earnings gonna be early this week. So common sense, earning is earlier this week, so it's Monday and Tuesday, no? Wednesday is middle of the week, no? And Thursday and Friday is what? At the end of the week, no? Or you're gonna release the earnings on the weekend, yeah? Isn't that great? Yeah, Jimmy. Guess what? Who's now? Who's the GOAT now? Fuck out of here, Jimmy.
What's up, dude and dudettes? It's dude number 2 here. I know I've been gone for a while. I'm sorry. I got a lot of jobs going on. But today we want to talk about MMAT. Where were the earnings? I don't know. Ask George. George apparently was on Stockwitz, and he said, it was going to happen today. And he also said it's going to be earlier this week, which to me, I think earlier this week would either mean Monday or Tuesday. And tomorrow is midweek to me, but that's just me. So I don't know, but we also got to give dude number 1 huge credit. You got to give him where credit is due. He was right about the delays for now. We'll see when the actual posting comes out, and then we'll go from there.
Hey guys, as I said before, the earnings gonna get delayed, and it did. So yeah. George said it's gonna be early this week. Guess what? We're not seeing it until, according to him, because I think Sterling tagged him on Twitter and asking him about why is it not coming out and everything. And sarcastically, as shown on here, this is George's tweet right there. Okay, he said, "Hey guys, the actual deadline is on August 16th, boys and girls." But is it really though? Because if you look at the SEC filing, then you will figure out that my previous video on the delay was absolutely 100%, even 1,000% accurate, because the actual deadline was on September 8th, or more like September 11th or whatever. But the reason why that he's trying to do it on the 16th is not only for GAAP purposes like IFRS training to GAAP, but also because I just think he doesn't really have a lot of earning potential to really show us, really. Because as someone in college, I actually had an accounting degree, and I got scholarship and everything for it. But here's the thing though, like if you transfer that from one accounting method to another, your earning upside actually went down. Because if you go look at his earnings from previous years from the CSE, you'll realize that his interpretation of revenue consolidation for revenue recognition is a little bit flawed, let's just put it that way. But for those of you who want to really have a detailed breakdown of what his tweet is saying and my hypothesis of why he's doing this, and pretty much lack of communication with CFO. And then later in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about the price point, my predictions. Of course, you guys are just going to hate on me because, I'm going to give you guys the ups and the downs. So then a lot of you who just want a factual information on MMAT can actually form a rational decision on what you're going to do with your holdings and whether you're going to buy and hold, wink, wink, or you're going to sell. And that's FUD, right? Or you're going to just trade option with it. Well, let's move on to the other screen. Oh, well, Sterling asked, "Hello, George. I think, I know things are in work currently, not losing patience, just like more clarity." And then George answered, Sterling asked, when is the latest day or when Meta must report their financials by? What do you mean by like must report? You have the SEC cycle is a very interesting thing. Let's just say my original 71-day countdown was actually correct. So their actual hard deadline was in September, but I think they are subjected to a late fee, pretty sure. And he said the actual deadline is August 16th. If you guys are interested, I can make a video about it. Comment down below if you really want to know like the earning cycles and everything. In the basket of stocks like MMAT, pretty sure I don't think that's the hard deadline. I don't know where George get that from. Hopefully he will get more communication with his CFO later on as this company goes more, right? And he literally confirmed what I said from previous video. He said, everything's under GAAP now, so accountants takes more time, crossing all the T's and dotting all the I's. What is that supposed to mean, dotting all the I's? Literally you just need to change like 4 different sectors and you will be done. But I'm pretty sure he's trying to figure out a way to better present the earnings per se, because right now he doesn't really have a lot of things to present in terms of like future contracts and everything. Also, I could be wrong. On the 16th, you guys will see if they actually land in more than one existing contract they had from previous years or previous quarters, then it's going to be a very bullish news. If they don't, and just, I acquire nanotech security, that might not be the bullish news that we're actually looking for. Let's move into today's price chart. So as I predicted yesterday, today is not gonna be looking as bullish as you think, and didn't shoot up to $4. Pre-market almost shoot up to 3.8 as I predicted. I said it's gonna be a drawdown. There's a drawdown. You see, the difference between this channel and another channel is I already foresee things that will happen in a couple of days. The other channel just recap what happens today. So yeah, if this is not something that you like, we don't even care if you actually look at our content anyways. So as I said before, even last week when we posted the video about the delay, I said there's going to be 7 scenarios. So now the delay is going to happen. It's going to be scenario 2 and 3. And maybe, tomorrow or the day after, I would each dedicate one video to scenario 2 and 3. But I think I might be overdoing this because the stock is just gonna be wiggling around $3.5 like I said 2 weeks ago, and the option chains, if you look at the option chain click carefully, you will see that there's gonna be a no man's zone or no profit zone for credit spreads, and the stock price is just gonna wiggle inputting that. And for those of you who are day trading, congratulations, for you still have your liquidity and you probably can day trade the stock a little bit. You probably aim for like a 2 to 3% upside from the lowest point if you set your local mean correct, and you don't really want to exit at local max because that's just pretty risky in terms of stock calculation or mathematical calculation. And as far as tomorrow's price prediction, again, it's gonna wiggle around $3.5, 3.55 ish. Might even go down a little bit because it's just common sense, right? If they delay their earnings and everybody's so hyped up for the earning and the earning got delayed, you will see a temporary drawback or a permanent drawback depending on your position, correct? And my previous videos DDs still hold, so you can go back and look at my price prediction, price target, and what I think the justifiable per share increase the acquisition will be. So then from those videos, you will sort of form a basic idea of where this thing's really gonna go. And for those of you who actually listen to me and hold on to your $4 calls, more like $4 cover calls, you sell calls for premium. Thank you for trusting in me, and also thank you for forming a really correct judgment. I know in our Discord about 5 or 6 of you actually did that. So thank you for the trusting me, and if you have trust in me, 90% of the time you are probably gonna make money anyways. So again, first rule of DD's channel, do not panic. Second rule of DD's channel, do not listen to mainstream media. And third rule of DD's channel, just don't be stupid. So yeah, this is it for this video. And if you haven't liked this video, go smash a like button. And if you haven't subbed, just go sub. And yeah, there's gonna be some very interesting videos coming out about scenario 2 and 3. And I hate to say this, but why are you so predictable?
Oh no, DD, please let me out! Let me out! Let me out!